I heard a blackbird singing upon Bluebird Hill. Call me a water boy if you will. Born where the sun don't shine, and I don't deny my name. No place left to go, ain't that a shame? Thought I heard that Casey whistle morning sweet alone. I thought I heard that Casey when she blow. Down where the sun don't shine, underneath the Kokomo. Whining boy, you got no place to go. So many roads I tell you, so many roads I know, so many roads, so many roads. Mountain high, river wide, so many roads to ride, so many roads, so many roads. Over on the far side of the hill, all I know, the sun don't shine and the rain refused to fall, and it don't seem to hit me when I call. The wind inside and the wind outside, tangled in a window blind. Tell me why you treat me so unkind. Down where the sun don't shine, lonely and I call your name. No place left to go, ain't that a shame? New York to San Francisco, so many roads I know. All I want is one to take me home. From the high road to the low, so many roads I know. So many roads, so many roads. In the land of the midnight sun, where the ice blue roses grow, along those roads of gold and silver snow, howling wide and moaning low, so many roads I know, So many roads to ease my soul. So many roads gonna heal my soul. So many roads got to heal my soul. Gonna keep on moving on down that long and winding road. Gonna heal my soul, heal my soul. To keep on walking, gonna be a long and winding road. It's gonna heal my soul, ease my soul. So many roads to ease my soul. To move along, walk along, walk on down that road. It's gonna heal, it's got to heal my soul.